Hello, and in this video I'm going to explain you Pythagoras theorem. Now, in this video I'm not going to explain you any proof or something of Pythagoras theorem. We are simply going to understand how exactly Pythagoras theorem works and its significance. Now, Pythagoras theorem is basically applied to any right-angled triangle, and it gives us the relationship between the hypotenuse and the other two sides of the triangle. Let us understand the basic geometry of the triangle. Now, say this is one line, and this is a right angled triangle, and this point is called point A, this is point B, and this is point C, and this side is called hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is equal to longest side of any right triangle that exists on this planet. Now, EB and BC. EB is generally called height of a right triangle, and BC is base of the right triangle. And now, according to Pythagoras theorem, the relation between the hypotenuse, that is the longest side, the base, and height is given by length of hypotenuse square is equal to square of base, that is BC square, plus AB, that is height. So if I denote this as h, I denote this as b, and I denote this as x, then I can write it as x square plus equal to h square plus b square. And so this is the basic equation about Pythagoras theorem, and this Pythagoras theorem is really a useful tool in solving many geometrical sums. And the sphere of Pythagoras theorem is really large, though it appears to be a simple geometrical concept, but it is used not only in geometry but is also used in trigonometry extensively. So suppose if you are having the value of height h and base b, you can easily get the value of hypotenuse and vice versa. So if you know the two of the three values, you can easily find the third one. And we will see some sums over this in the next video, but currently we will just understand the concept of Pythagoras theorem, and that is first we understand the relation. Now, how we will understand significance. Suppose let me draw the triangle again. This time we will draw some different color, a bit different color. Suppose this is a triangle, I mean this is a line, and I'm going to draw a triangle. Okay, yes, and this is okay. Now I have drawn the triangle, and suppose the length of the base is b, height is h, and hypotenuse is x. Then suppose I draw a square with side b. Suppose this is a square. Just suppose this. I know the shape is a bit weird, but still, just assume for a while that it is a square. And this is a square with side h, and this would be b, and this is a square with side x. So area of this will be x square, this will be b square, and this this will be h square. So basically Pythagoras theorem states that the sum of the square, sum of the area of the square drawn with one of the sides of the triangle as the side of the square is and if you take one another side, this is this one, and you add them up, you will get the area of the square uh, where hypotenuse is also one of its sides. So basically this thing, this area, this area, this area is going to include this area and this area. So how can I represent this over here is and suppose this is suppose this is x and this is x, so the area would be x square, and now it will also include a part of now this entire thing was h, and this will be h, and this would be h, so this area would be h square, and the remaining area that is this area and this area would sum up to b square. So basically the entire area of x square plus this includes this area and this area. This is the significance of the Pythagoras theorem. This is what actually the Pythagoras theorem means, and this is what I wanted to explain you in this video tutorial. Now in the next video tutorial we may see some of the sums based upon the Pythagoras theorems, and you will realize that Pythagoras theorem is really powerful and easy tool. Thank you.